Hi, if you want to know how can you earn more than $15,000 a month, then this video is definitely for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you my own experience with the best email marketing service. I've been using this service for 7 years now, and it provides a robust set of tools that you need to build and maintain strong customer relationships. In this short video, I'm going to show you 3 very useful features that not many people know about, but that makes it really the best in the email marketing category. Subscribe to our channel and watch this video carefully. Let's jump in.
Hello everyone! If you're looking for a service that provides email marketing services as well as many other functions, then this review is for you. Growing companies will appreciate that GetResponse has re-engineered its offering. It is now a complete marketing solution, not just an email marketing platform. In other words, you can now find features such as CRM and webinars on GetResponse. GetResponse will also offer you access to a very impressive library of templates, over 500, and free stock images, over 1,000, as well as a convenient and intuitive drag-and-drop editor where you can change the templates however you want. Again, GetResponse excels at split testing and subscriber segmentation, areas that will be especially important to experienced marketers. Get ready to take off your email marketing campaign. GetResponse is your one-stop shop for all your email marketing needs. With lots of cool features, useful tools, and hundreds of great-looking templates, you can easily launch your email marketing campaigns. If you're a beginner, worry not. GetResponse has a fantastic editor that's easy to use and intuitive. With free photos from iStock, QR generator, and social integration, you can be sure you're in safe hands. Why GetResponse? Incredible and intuitive template editor, informative and convenient training center, equipped with great features. Check out why working with GetResponse will bring you results. Everything you need to create and run an email marketing campaign is in this platform. Additional features such as a QR code generator and list building are already included in the package. The list editor at GetSubscribers is a great way to reach new and relevant audiences through emails. Pay for each lead and watch your list grow throughout the evening. This feature is worth every penny spent. Smart technology allows you to send emails from spam or junk folder and gives results. To learn more about these features, see the link here. Regardless of the chosen tariff plan, all functions are included in the package. Drag and drop settings make life easier. There is nothing complicated or confusing about using GetResponse, as everything has been designed with the user's needs in mind. You will find a wonderful template editor like a breath of fresh air, with hundreds of professional templates, many features, tools, and flexible customization, so that you will definitely have everything at hand. The editing process is also simplified with the use of a drag-and-drop tool that will allow you to easily move and delete images, text, and videos in your template of choice. We give GetResponse a complete victory for its incredible user interface and the template editor they created. You will love to create your own letter template, and it will shine among all the emails you send. Let your subscribers feel the passion with which you create, design, and send newsletters. 2 thumbs up and 5 stars for the user experience. Prices. There are 4 types of tariff plans, each of which has a full range of functions and is billed monthly. Each plan is based on how many subscribers you have and how many you plan to send emails to. This means that you can send an unlimited number of emails every month. While we can't help but marvel at the great features and customization GetResponse offers, we are sorely disappointed that we didn't find a free lifetime version. However, they offer an excellent service compared to other email delivery services, which is an essential feature for any person or business just starting out. We believe it's important to spend some time building your list, sending emails, and really getting a feel for the world of email marketing before purchasing the subscription. Basic, $10 a month, plus $34 per month. Professional, $69 per month. We really can't stop admiring the great service that GetResponse has to offer. A contact phone number is provided for both US and overseas UK users, for foreign nationals wishing to use their services.